Yeah, for changing this small part for the oil separator, I try take it out, and this is pretty hard. It's like stone, this plastic, and I use tongue for take it out from here, from this place, and the small part what's sitting on this corner breaks, so all the oil separator coming out. See how this is hard, and should be like this, should be soft, and this one no way you can press it. So I will be try to separate this from this and put it for back. This is no longer available.